Before starting the video, I would like to mention that I do not try to flash the names of 10 odd cryptocurrencies in order to showcase my prowess. I keep it simple and precise, just like it should be. And I would advise all of you to stay away from such people who try to rope you into buying each and everything. Now, having said that, let's start today's episode. Cryptocurrency prices continue to drop, which could provide a smart buying opportunity for some. So, what coins should you buy? Before starting this segment, let me tell you that this is not a financial advice. Please do your research before buying anything. So, the cryptocurrency you choose will depend on a variety of factors. Cryptocurrencies have had a breathtaking year so far. Between reaching record-breaking highs and then crashing a few months later, they have experienced a roller coaster of ups and downs. Many of the major cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, are still in a downtrend. Over the last 2 months, the price of Bitcoin is down by nearly 35%, and Ethereum has also fallen by nearly 50%, while Dogecoin has dropped by close to 60 to 65%. However, if you have been waiting to invest, now might be a smart buying opportunity for you. Market downturns can be a good chance to buy the dip, as it is called, and invest when prices are at their lowest. Now, between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, which option is the best for you? Let's talk about Bitcoin first. Bitcoin enjoys the most recognition out of all the three, which gives it an advantage over its competitors, and it's been referred to as digital gold because there is a limited supply of tokens that can be created. Its supporters believe that scarcity will increase Bitcoin's value over time. Rightly so. Now, one thing I've noticed is that Bitcoin is more popular among sellers. This also gives Bitcoin a leg up because gaining widespread adoption will be key to surviving over the longer term. Although if it doesn't find a way to become more energy efficient, that could pose a threat to its future. So let's talk about Ethereum now. Ethereum is the second most popular cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin, and it also has its ups and downs. Its biggest advantage is that Ethereum is a blockchain in itself. The blockchain allows developers from all over the world to build applications on the technology, which creates utility outside of cryptocurrency alone. You can do more than just trading using Ether. All of these applications may also require the use of Ether, Ethereum's native token. So if any of Ethereum's blockchain solutions eventually become mainstream, Ether could become a dominant form of cryptocurrency. I hope you're understanding the point I'm trying to communicate. Now, the downside to Ethereum is that its future is uncertain. Blockchain technology is still relatively new, and nobody knows whether it will eventually become widely accepted or not. On to Dogecoin then. Dogecoin, as all of you know, rose to fame earlier this year after it gained a following among retail investors and celebrity billionaires like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban, and so on. Despite its record-shattering returns, Dogecoin is by far the riskiest cryptocurrency out of the three. For any cryptocurrency to survive over the longer run, it needs to have a real world purpose, and Dogecoin seems to lack this purpose. The vast majority of merchants do not currently accept Dogecoin as a form of payment, and there are several other cryptocurrencies with lower transaction fees as compared to Dogecoin, so people prefer those currencies over Dogecoin. Now, the primary reason its price has exploded over the past several months is because it gained a large fan following. But once those investors move on to something new, Dogecoin's price was bound to plummet. And this is exactly what is happening right now. So the question arises, which cryptocurrency should you choose? First of all, it's important to consider whether cryptocurrency is the right investment for you. Cryptocurrency is a highly speculative and risky investment. It is highly volatile. Nobody can predict whether it will eventually become mainstream or fall by the wayside. And that uncertainty can be dangerous for anyone. If you do decide to invest in cryptocurrency, think about how much risk you are willing to tolerate. Don't invest an amount that you can't afford to lose. Don't invest your life savings into crypto. Right now, Bitcoin may be the safest option among the three, while Ethereum has the potential for significant gains, although it is riskier. Dogecoin is the riskiest out of all the three, and it is more of a gamble. Cryptocurrency isn't right for everyone, but by doing your research properly, you can limit your risk as much as possible. Remember that people have made a fortune of stock markets and other forms of investments as well. So make your pick accordingly. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.